Pikachu. Dude, we saw the turtles.
Woo! There's a new animal in town.
Going. We see some snakes.
Oh my god, stop!
We're leaving the ship. It's time to go home, bye-bye. We got a day in Fort Lauderdale.
This is my home now.
We got a day in Fort Lauderdale. Probably go see some alligators in the Everglades. And then we gotta take our plane back. We'll check in with you in Fort Lauderdale. She is very sad. Oh,
Sad. This is my home.
but it's here. We got engaged though. Love you. Disney will be back. It's not gonna be the Destiny. It'll probably be the Treasure or the Fantasy. But yeah, this was Disney, Destiny, and Sanders World. Let's go, let go. So sick. We're just getting to the Everglades Park. Everglades Holiday Park. Just 30 minutes outside Fort Lauderdale. Getting on the boat. We're getting on the boat, on the airboat. We're in the Everglades. Just got off the Disney Destiny for 4 days. And now we got a pit stop in Fort Lauderdale. So we went to the Everglades to go see some gators, some cool stuff. Let's do it. Going. Going. It's the Everglades in Sanders World.
Yay!
Hopefully we see some snakes.
Oh my god, stop! Whoa!
Literally thousands of gators around us. Snake.
Stop!
We saw 3 gators so far, but there's thousands of gators under us. Dude, we saw the turtles. Tubular, surf's up, bro.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Thank you.
I'm not doing great. Bye.
Thank you. Have a good one. Everglades Park. We saw some gators. Now we're gonna get up and personal with a gator. What an experience. Everglades is beautiful. This is the Everglades in Sanders World. Now we're going to the gator up a close personal tour. We saw some sick creatures. Everglades Holiday Park. Fort Lauderdale. I would definitely recommend it. What a sick time. We saw some gators. We didn't see no pythons, but it's okay. Apparently there's a gator show. Gator show. I'm not gonna miss that one. I might get some gator bites and go see the gator show. Let's go. We got a little store in here. So if you want to get some souvenirs, get some beers, ice cream. They took care of us, man. Everglades Holiday Park. We got gator bites here. They got frog legs, gator tacos. Oh, definitely gonna. Oh, they got a gator po' boy. I'm gonna definitely go with gator bites. I'm gonna try these gator bites out. Look, cafe menu. Gator Bites Cafe. It's called Gator Bites Cafe, so I'm gonna definitely get the gator bites. All right, I'm in the Everglades at Gator Bites Cafe. I'm gonna try the gator bites. Just saw some gators. I'm gonna try them. Ooh, they're hot. Fluid.
Yeah? You like it?
Yeah. You said cover them up with the napkin so you make sure your friends don't get none.
Oh.
They're that good.
Ooh.
Gator Bites. This is the Everglades
Yum.
same as well. Woo! We're about to go to the show, so it's sad to see these. We're eating.
Yeah, I think we can go now.
Yeah. We're eating the gator.
Yum, 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 yum. Nom, nom, nom.
Only thing I recommend is put some lemon on top. Gator Bites. This is the Everglades in Sanders World.
He ate them and he ate them up.
They were so good. I didn't share none of them. Gator Bites Cafe, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For present.
Gator presentation. You excited to see the gators? And a python.
Oh my gosh.
They got a python too. You had to put it around the neck. Gator show, let's go. I just had some Gator Bites in the Gator Bites Cafe. We're at the Everglades Holiday Park. We've been on a Disney Destiny cruise for 4 days, and we took a pit stop to come to Everglades Holiday Park. And man, it was a treat. We saw some gators in their natural habitat. Now we're about to see some gators up close and personal. And I would definitely recommend you get 2, 3, 4 orders of that. The Gator Bites at the Gator Bites Cafe. This is the Everglades in Sanders World. Let's go.
We had like 300 kids in here the last show.
Oh.
Traumatized. Come on. Good boy.
Ooh.
Open. No flying.
Ooh.
Back to your
We're at the
dog.
Gator show.
The alligator in the water. Behind the eyes, alligator's ears, little flat brain is about the size of my thumb.
Wow.
They say there's only one animal in the entire world that has a smaller brain to body size ratio, and it just so happens to be sitting on the alligator's back right now. It's okay to laugh at that joke. I can promise you, Devin doesn't even understand it. Because he's animatronics. He's got an oversized palatal valve, which allows him to go underwater, capture food without drowning, but usually then surface above the water to swallow that food. And that officially makes Devin 0 for 2 on applause. This is not your best work. More pity applause. If you guys are looking for Devin after this show, he will be checking into therapy. All right, last trick. Last trick's called the face-off. Because if Devin messes up and we get lucky, his face comes off. I already know what you're thinking. Devin was not bitten in the face doing this trick before. He was actually born like that. Smells amazing, by the way. It's like pumpkin spice. Amazing how fast they move. Look at that. That's why you have to run zigzag. Now the annoying questions like, how come they're not moving? What do you feed them? You haven't been bit? Are they on drugs? Are you on drugs? Why is that water? Oh, is that gator pee? Is that where Gatorade comes from?
Thank you, bro.
Bye, guys.
Really
Have a great day. Be
sick.
safe.
You too, man.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Have a great day. Be safe out there.
I'm here to see the anacondas, boy.
Not looking. Oh my god.
Babe, come take a photo with the gator.
Alright guys, look right over at me.
She's holding the snake.
Don't freak out.
She's scared of the snake. She wants the gator photo, but not by the snake. She doesn't want to be by the snake.
Oh, you're gonna do.
Oh, they're doing both photos, yeah.
Alright, you guys ready for the snake? Oh my god. Have some fans.
Look at him. What's his name?
Dundee.
Dundee? Awesome. Alligator. Alligator
Right over
Dundee.
here, guys. 1, 2, 3. Let him one more time again. 1, 2, 3. She even posed for you. Yeah, I know, huh? She was getting her good side for you. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the gator.
These are the
Yeah,
ones
let me
for
give
us.
her. Let me give her this. Are you gonna take a photo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't move them too much.
Okay.
Freaking out.
Thank you. Thank you for moving the snake.
I understand not everyone's a snake person. I totally got you.
I'm gonna get a video of it.
I am.
Yeah, you can come say hi. This is Pikachu.
Pikachu?
You can
Where
pet
do I
him.
put him right here?
Anywhere as long as it's
Okay.
not the face.
Dang, he feels so cool.
Did you guys want to take a picture?
Pikachu. Gotta catch them all.
I know, right? Yep.
We're at the Everglades Holiday Park. This is the Everglades in Sanders World. Thank you so much.
Exit will be right up the middle stairs.
Bye, Dundee.
It's a great photo.
What? That was sick. It's nothing yet.
Stop it! What is it?
We met a snake named Pikachu. Pikachu was so cute, babe. And we met a gator, little baby gator named Dundee. Alligator Dundee and Pikachu the snake. That was awesome.
Keychains and magnets for $5.
Everglades Holiday Park.
This is fine. Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Everglades Holiday Park. We visited the Everglades. We saw some gators up close and personal. We ate some Gator Bites.
What's the hotel called? Not Hard Rock.
I met a snake named Pikachu. It was a baby python. And I also met a baby gator named Dundee. That's it. That's the spot, y'all. Right here. Everglades Holiday Park. That's enough for one day. We've been on a Disney Destiny for 4 days. And we took a detour before going home. And we visited some gators. Ate some gator bites. Met some snakes and gators. And I think that's enough, y'all. Yeah. Back at the Hard Rock Hotel. Now we're about to get our shuttle to the airport. Waiting on our SUV. Pack all the suitcase. No, we got 2 minutes. Head on in. I'll sit in the front. That's it, y'all. Our Florida trip's done. We're headed to the airport.